Creating point-and-click adventure games with AGS and have an MBA file? This is a compiled script from Adventure Game Studio. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Adventure Game Studio compiled script files in your game development. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn MBA files. A user with an MBA file is typically a developer using or a player of a game created with Adventure Game Studio, AGS. This file contains the compiled game script that controls all game logic, character interactions, and story events. It is not meant to be opened directly, but is a critical component executed by the AGS game engine. The MBA file is a compiled binary format, making it non-human-readable. It is generated from plain text script files, ASC, by the AGS editor during the game's build process. This design optimizes performance by pre-processing the script into a format the engine can execute quickly, while also obfuscating the source code. The operating system preferentially attempts to open MBA using Adventure Game Studio from Chris Jones. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows cannot interpret most of this content, so dedicated game tools or the game itself are required. Your primary action: right-click the MBA file and select Open With. If Adventure Game Studio is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the MBA file opens successfully. If you still cannot open your MBA file, that is okay. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this MBA error before we apply the universal fix. First, recompiling from source. MBA files are compilation outputs, not directly editable. Open the original AGS project containing the source script files in Adventure Game Studio from adventuregamestudio.co.uk. Edit the source scripts, then use the build menu to recompile generating updated MBA files for your adventure game project. Next, examining game files. MBA files reside within compiled AGS game packages. Use AGS-specific tools or game extraction utilities from the AGS community to examine compiled scripts within game distributions. The bytecode format requires AGS internal knowledge for meaningful interpretation, rather than direct source code recovery. Finally, testing game logic. Test scripts within Adventure Game Studio using the integrated debugger before compiling to MBA format. Set breakpoints in source scripts and run the game in debug mode. The debugger reveals script execution flow, helping identify and fix issues before producing the final compiled MBA output. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.